Hello again, Math Stars. Mrs. Drum is here for another lesson on fractions. Today we are going to multiply a whole number by a fraction. Are you ready to begin? Let's get started. Let's look at our notes for today's lesson. Let's review before we begin. Repeated addition is blank. Turn and talk with your partner to fill in the blank. Pause the video now. Repeated addition is multiplication. Let's move on to today's lesson. In order to multiply a whole number by a fraction, first multiply the whole number by the numerator. The product or answer is the numerator. The denominator stays the same. Let's look at the example. 5 times 2/3. First multiply the whole number 5 by the numerator 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 is my numerator. The denominator 3 stays the same, so my denominator is 3. My answer is 10/3. Let's look at problem 1. First multiply the whole number by the numerator. The denominator will stay the same. Go ahead and solve. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. 6 times 3 is 18. The denominator 5 stays the same, so the answer is 18/5. Look at problem 2. Go ahead and solve just like you did for problem 1. Pause the video and replay when you are ready to check your work. 3 times 9 is 27. The denominator 10 stays the same, so my answer is 27/10. Look at problem 4, because apparently there isn't a problem 3. Whoops! Go ahead and solve just like you did for problem 2. Pause the video and replay when you are ready to check your work. 3 times 2 is 6. My denominator 12 stays the same, so my answer is 6/12. Great job working hard today. Your assignment is to work on lesson 35 problem set number 2 and lesson 36 problem set numbers 3, 5, 6, and 7. Check your work with the answer keys at the front of the room. If you have a question, be sure to come and see me. Don't forget to correct your mistakes if you made any. Your problem set can go in your Shark folder, and you may grab the exit ticket to work on. Make sure your name is on it and turn it into the turn-in tray. Awesome job today. Keep it up. I'll see you next time.